Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about who is that person we are going to marry, okay, or the person you are going to marry. Who is that person? What is their deeds? What is their traits? And what are their features? All about all the description about them. Okay, there are three piles, 1, 2, 3, and I am going towards the pile number 1. Okay, I want to say something to you. Um, um, if you want to choose, if you want to choose for two persons, uh, one for you, one for your friend or your sister or someone, then you can also do that. More than choose more than one part. And if you are attracted towards two parts a lot, then you can also choose the two parts. But it is good that if you choose only one part. Okay, now I'm going to use the reading number 1. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 1 with this emoji, smiling face emoji, your first card is Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I think that person is a very lucky person. They have everything in their life, uh, everything that they want. They are very lucky person, and maybe you think that they are your they are lucky for you. You love them, but they are very lucky person. Whatever they want in their life, whatever they manifest, they can have it. A lot of abundance, a lot of happiness in this card. Okay, they have a lot of love for others. They love others. They have a lot of money, and they have no. I think they have no money problem, and also they have a lot of love. Their heart is so full of love. They give others love. They love others. Okay, and they are very charismatic person. They are very charming, very attractive person that others love them. If they are not beautiful, but they are lovely in between them, from their heart. Okay, and the High Priestess. They are very, very knowledgeable. They are very wise. They are very clever. They know what to do, when to do, how to do. Okay, they are very clever person. They can do anything. I think that they can do anything. Okay, then you have this 10 of swords upside down, and with this card I think that they are not looking at their dark side. Okay, with this card I think that this person is very loving, caring, and giving person, but they are not thinking about their own self. They are just giving others, they are just helping others, making others happy, and they are not thinking about their own self, their own good. At this moment they have to decide on their own for themselves what they want, if they love you, if they want something, if they want to do something, or if they are not. And they have to be grow in this time, be a grown up person. um, Leave home or leave others opinions, decide from their own self. Okay, decide on their own self, or for their own self. Also they also have to decide for their own self, to think about their own self, think about their own goodness, and have to determine their own direction. Okay, there is a lot of abundance in their future, but that will only happen to them when they do when they think for their own self. Okay, it is good to think about others, to love others, but sometimes we need attention, we need our happiness, we need to do for ourselves. And this is the time they have to decide for their own self what they want. Okay, and Nine of Wands, yes. And here maybe they are protecting. Okay. um this is very fiery person. Maybe they are from a fire sign, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay, this person is making his own life complicated by not thinking about their own self. They are just obeying others. They are just fulfill others' commands. They are just thinking about others. They are making their life miserable. This card is here for this card is telling them that they don't have to um, stop procrastinate anything, and stop the procrastination, and think about their own self, do the things on their own self, and uh, now do it, done, do it, make finish it. And one more thing, do what is necessary and what you want. Don't listen to others at this moment. Okay, I think they love you, but somebody restricted them to move towards you or to marry you or something like that, and that's why this person is uh, killing his own love, killing his own self. And with this seven of swords, sorry, seven of pentacles, they are working on their own self. Yes, they are changing their self. They are working on their own self. They are becoming little bit fiery. They have a lot of burden on their shoulders. Uh, they are thinking about others. uh, I think this is this picture resonate to Lord Shiva, I think so. And he is working on his chakras. Okay, and he is manifesting a lot of things. With this working on his own chakras, he is planning in his mind what he have to do, what is good for him, what is not, what serves him. And it is good for them to go into nature, into greenery, into some park, in between trees and flowers, and let the mother earth heal them. Okay, and they have biggest a great connection between their self and the world. They like others, they serve others, they are the very caring person. And they are not telling others that they are stressful. They are the person that take it in this self. Okay, and in this time they have to meditate and still their time self and think about what they want. And now they have to connect to you, they have to propose you at this moment. This is what they have to do at this moment. And they are very loving, very caring, very good person, a healer. I think he is a healer. Okay, but I am seeing here that their wishes are not going to be come true, because I think that this person is giving others a lot. They are thinking for others, they are not thinking for their own self. They have to heal their own self. This card is here for their healing, for to think about their own self. Okay, they are not coming towards you at this moment. I clearly see that in this card, with this card, they are not coming towards you at this moment, but they are doing something over here. They have to decide very soon over here what they want, their own happiness, or to make happy, to make others happy. Okay, back off. This card is telling them that back off from uh, fulfilling others' desire. Make your own desire come true. Make your own dreams come true. Okay, devil card. Okay, maybe this person is gathered by some devils. Some devil person is in his life, and they are not letting them do what they want to do. Maybe someone had done some black magic on them, that they can follow them only, not seeing anything other, just follow that person. That could be the situation over here. I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, I can see one more thing, that this person leaves their own wishes at back for others, and that person also, they have a lot of burden on their shoulders. That's why they are not marrying at this moment, they are not having any relationship in this moment, and they are deciding something over here with this card. They have to decide over here, and with this blue in voodoo in blue. Okay, they are very attractive person, and others think that they had done some magic on them. Okay, but they are at this moment, they are like the devil. They are restricting others to come towards them. They are not letting others to come to marry them. Yes. Okay, they are not defending themselves at this moment. If their parents had decided don't have to marry at this moment, they are following their commands, and but they are coming out of this situation very slowly, very slow and steadily. They are coming out of this situation when they are wise enough to tell them what they want, what they don't want. When they are wise enough to think about their own self, they think about their own good, they will going to fulfill their wishes. They are able to fulfill their wishes. And at the bottom of the deck, you have the Nine of Wands. You have to defend your love for that person, or they have to defend their love for you, and have to manifest you, have to be a leader to tell others that they want this and they want that. Be a little bit a rude person, be a little bit rude to tell others that what you want, what you need at this moment. Have to be stubborn or determined to get married at this moment. You definitely are going to have married. Something is changing over here. Be determined, think with mind, and be determined, be a stubborn on this situation. They are going to make a home. They are the stable person, and they are manifesting you at this moment. And now at the last, what is the last card? The Sun card. Happiness, abundance, family life, everything. They are going to have this when they are able to decide from their own self, when they are wise. Okay, okay, this is all for you, my pile number one. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you have to keep watching my video, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going to close the reading number two. Okay, those who choose the pile number two, your first card is this person. Okay, this person, maybe this person is very egoistic person. They don't like others. They don't want to move towards you. They want you to take a first step. Okay, this person, I think they are a very egoistic person. They don't want to have any clarity over some situation, or they are the person that they are very aggressive, and they don't want any clarity. They don't want any truth. They only want the what they believe. They think that what they believe is only the truth. Okay, and with this card of seven of water. Okay, this person, they trust with this card. I think they trust their family persons. They trust them a lot. Okay, and they trust their faith, surrender to others, release peace, certainty, passive. Okay, this card is for them. This is the advice for them to surrender. Okay, trust others, take faith on others, know others, try to know others. Don't be like egoistic person, a rude person. Don't get back from others. Get involved into others and surrender yourself to the faith. Release harsh uh, thoughts and make peace with others and okay, surrender to the flow of life. Okay, relinquish the need to control. All happy happens as it is meant to. The future will bring what you need, not what you want. Okay, the card is telling them the future will bring them what they need, not what they want. They have to work on this situation, on themselves. And the control is an illusion that is not give you anything. And your influence on the future is limited. Yeah, and be flexible. A gentle passive approach. Okay, they have to change themselves. Um, they have to surrender themselves. This lady is surrendering themselves to the faith. She is in the water and she is surrendering herself. Yes, they have to work on it. And with this card, yes, definitely. Look, this is the ego card. They are very egoistic person. They are not thinking about others. They are not thinking what is the true, what is the right. They are just thinking about their own self, what they want, what is making them happy. They have to work on themselves. They have to leave this ego. Sometimes it is good to have an ego, but at this moment in this reading they don't have to be a egoistic person. They are very active person, amiable person, and know what they want to do. They are, with this card they have to focus on in this moment. They have to focus on their self, their happiness, about marrying other, about to marry other, or to have a relationship with someone, make their own home. They have to focus on that thing instead of focusing on their own self, what I want, what I need, or obey me, listen to me, I'm the one, I am the leader. Don't be like that person. Okay, they are the person, they are the patientless person. They don't have any patience in them. They don't want to wait for anybody because they are very egoistic person. They are very they are the person of their own self. Okay, and they don't want to wait for anybody over here. They don't want to leave any relationship with this card. Okay, Six of Pentacles. Yes, there is no balance in this in this person's life. They are not balancing their life. They want others to love them, but they don't want to love others. Okay, Queen of Swords, and they don't want to leave these traits, these deeds, these habits. They think that they are good. What they are doing, that is good, that is perfect. They don't want to heal their own self. They are very stubborn person. They are very egoistic person. They don't want to heal this. They don't want to think about anything. What is happening? If someone is leaving them, they don't want to heal it. They don't want to go and apologize to them. Okay, and pay attention to the red flags. Okay, the signs are cautioning you. The signs are cautioning you that this person is not a good person. This person is very egoistic person, very aggressive person, very angry. Okay, Seven Mermaid. This is for you. You are the good person. Your sensuality is beautiful. You are beautiful. This person will come to you for little time, because I don't think that this person will keep relationship for a long time. This person is the person that leave the relationship. They don't want to live in a relationship. Okay, okay. Please don't lose the hope. Okay, don't lose hope. Why is this card is here? I want to clarify. Okay, maybe this person will change their mind. They will come to you and want to uh, have a relationship with you. Okay, no, this is not the matter. They are not happy with you. They don't want to keep this relationship anymore. But you surely have someone. You surely get someone in your life that loves you, that truly love you, the true love. And that is the justice for you and that person, that you leave that person and go to the other person. Okay, make your mind to don't love this person, because this person is not good for you. At the end of the at the bottom of the deck, you have the Eight of Wands. This means that this is happening very soon, very fast. Okay, express your love to this person. Maybe they will change, and with that you will surely get some advice, some help from your spirits, or from your from Allah, from anyone. They will show you the way. If this is the right way to go towards them, they will show you the way. If this is the right way to go towards someone else, then this will also show you. Okay, Turkey. Okay. Okay, from this Turkey card, honor nature and earth, abundance, honor, responsibility of nourishment. Make relationship with our surroundings. Unlike the happiness of life, blessing from the earth, harvesting the fruits of your efforts, and work importance of community sharing. Community sharing, satisfaction, importance of relationship, tradition, thanksgiving, gifts, feminine energy, unlocking happiness of life. Maybe this person have to change into this Turkey person, or maybe you are doing this to that person. You are giving this love, this attention to this person. Okay. Okay, I have taken some more card for you this situation, and I think your wishes are not coming true. This person is not going to change, but I think that someone new is coming towards you, and this is from universe. This is from Allah. Allah is giving you this person, this new person. This new person is coming towards you. A new love is coming towards you, because this person is not good for you. They are their they are the egoistic person, and that's why the universe is giving you this new person. That is all for you, my file number 2. And if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, you can keep watching my videos. If you want to see my previous videos for your some situation or any situation, you can see that. You will surely get some help from there or from my new videos. And with a lot of love, with a lot of good wishes, why I am going to the pile number 3. Okay, for the pile number 3, with this blue color ring, your first card is the Hermit card upside down. Okay, maybe you are not having any clue to that person, and you don't know who this person is, where you have to find that person. Maybe this person is Virgo. This is the card of Virgo, and you can't find the way towards that person at this moment. You have to wait for that person. Okay, and you are not getting win, or you are not winning in this situation. You are not getting towards that person due to some situation. I want to clarify that card. Why is this Six of Wands upside down in this situation? because someone is very stubborn over here. They don't want to go towards that person. They don't want to have that person, or they don't want to have you, or you don't want to have that person at this moment. Okay, okay, you have to have some kind of transition in your life. You have to change something over here. You have to end something to get to begin something new. Okay, if you want this person, you have to leave someone else. I think so. One thing is ending and the other is beginning. Okay, with this four of water upside down, you are not looking at your what is uh, you are not looking at the right things, at the right you are not looking at this situation with the right angle, right perspective. You are seeing it that you are not having that person. They are not in your life. You are not marrying him or her, and that's why you are very sad. You are crying over here. You are very alone at this moment with this card. Okay. Rather there is where is that there is you are gathering with others. You are in party or in some you are gathering with others, but you are alone in yourself, and that person is having a lot of burden on their shoulders at this moment. They are they are serving their family, their child, their family, and they are restricting to them. Can you see that they are chained to them? They can't leave them at this moment. They have the key and for this lock, but they don't want to open this lock at this moment because they know that what is their responsibility. Their responsibility is to serve their kids, to serve their family, and they are doing it. They are doing their job. That's why they are not coming towards you, and you are waiting. I think I am seeing that you are waiting for them. They have to leave that other person if they want to come to you. If they want to have a relationship with you, they have to end the relationship with that other person, and they are not doing it because they know that they have the responsibility towards that person, and they don't have any responsibility towards you because you are not married to them. Okay, Eight of Swords. Okay, you think that you are stuck over here, or that person is stuck over somewhere, and that's why this is not happening. And Emperor, but you don't want to give up. You don't want to take any action or want to move from here. You are very stubborn over this situation. You want to stay over here and wait for that person. Okay, religious factor. Maybe this religious factor in this situation, but this is going to end. This is going to finish over here with this card upside down. Maybe they are not from your religion, but they are going to accept your religion, or they are going to change their religion for you, or maybe you are going to do this. Someone is ending this religious factor. Past life relationship, yes, definitely you both have the past life relationship. If you don't marry in your past life, then this is from your other life. If you are non-Muslim, then this is from your other life. Okay, and or maybe this is very deep connection. This is a very deep love in between you both. You both like each other. You both love each other. You want to have a relationship with each other, but you are waiting for each other over here. Okay, heart-to-heart conversation. You have to tell them that what you want. Maybe you are not telling them. You are just waiting for them that they will free from their job. You are waiting for them. You are not telling them. You have to tell them. You have the codependency of that person. You want that person in your life. You are attracted to that person a lot, that you don't see anyone else. You only want that person. Then the universe are going to listen to your prayers, and they are giving you this person, the candy cane angel. It's time for you to treat. Yes, this person is coming towards you, and there's some transition happening in between you both because of this religious factor and this transition card. okay, but you have to wait for that person. They are not coming at this moment. They are taking their time and you have to wait for this person, but they are definitely coming towards you. And the religious factor is ending over here. If your upbringings are different from each other, then this will also going to be end. When you are both are going to meet each other, going to love with each other, live with each other, have a relationship with each other, then this will go, and some transition will happen to you. Okay, this is all what I have for you, my dear, my pile number 3. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, please go and watch my previous video, or you can also see my new videos. You will surely get some help from there, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.